Hi everyone, today I'm with Thomas Arnaud, which is a foot health professional, and we'd like to show you a new concept of Podiatech, which is a modulo. Today at Podiatech you have two options to work with us. Okay, you can buy the insoles flat like that and you just have to mold them on vacuum silicone bags or positive cast or whatever, or you can buy a square meter of materials and just cut it yourself. What we have created with Thomas is a new concept where it's coming pre-taped like that, and you just have basically to cut. So we like to present you this concept with a short video. There is 6 reference. There is sport, there is CT, and there is pathology, let's say comfort. Each time you have thin or thick. It's up to you. So sports, you have 2 options, thick or thin. CT, thick, thin, and same for the pathologic range. So it's again it's in between working with a sheet or with OPCT concept.
Hi everyone, let's explain how it works. It's really, like Laurent explained, really basically easy to understand. It's something between sheets of materials and OPCT concept. So you have these 3 different style of materials depending on your volume shoe and activities, and also you have different materials for the base and for the reinforcement and for the top covers. So basically you work in your workshop, it's quite easy. You have also something to help you to cut the materials with the shape by size. So you take the plastic template with all the holes. It will help you to cut the base, the materials and the top cover. You will be able to cut everything with this plastic element. So you start always with the base. You start with the base and then you cut the materials and then you cut the top cover. Always on this order. Okay, so we're gonna take for this example one base in Podiaflex 1.2 millimeter. So you take the plastic template and you have different limit and you cut as you wish, depending on what do you want to make as correction. You can use, of course, as usual, the footprint to be able to cut on measure the base of the insoles. If you want the same style than the OPCT S, that means everything is pre-glued, you can cut the base in the same way with not on measure metatarsal line, but you can control this line with the footprints. So you put the plastic template on the footprint and you control that you have the nice alignment and the nice shape of the base, not to injure the patient. So I'm gonna use the pen, and you have different shape of the base depending on the volume shoe. So if you have wide volume shoe or if you have narrow volume shoe, you will be able to cut the base in a different shapes. And then basically you take the scissors and you cut the base. And you're gonna see that it will be way faster than to cut straight in pieces of materials. Mostly for the technical materials in between, but also for the base. So now I have my base in a Podiaflex 1.2 millimeter, and I have to glue the base with the double tape, put the base on the technical materials, cut the technical materials, and then put a top cover and add a referencement resin if I need. So I use double tape. Of course, you always use double tape and not glue because it's way faster, and you're gonna heat the insoles inside the machine, so you don't need to add liquid glue. It's way faster with such technique. Of course, always put the last piece of the technical materials for the forefoot inside all the metatarsal bones. Never like this, because you will have strong materials under the first metatarsal bones. So always like this. Of course, you try to save materials as much as you can. So when you place the plastic template, you mark with your pen like this, and then you just have basically to cut with the scissors. Every step you have to cut with 1 millimeter more outside, like this, and then you cut on the pen. Okay, after that you just have to put one top cover, and if you want you can place also one resin reinforcement. So you can use these sheets of materials and cut one resin reinforcement and add in plus, or you can use also some pre-cut elements from the catalog. So I will use medial reinforcement from the catalog. So as you can see, when I put the element, always 1 millimeter inside. If it's a bit wider, you can also cut. Do not hesitate to cut before to hit the insoles. It will be easier at the end to grind the insoles. Okay, so basically it's almost finished. I just have to add one top cover on it. So one more time I will use double tape. Cut my double tape. Okay, and then I choose the top cover depending on my volume shoe. If I want something comfortable, if I want something slim, if I want something wide. So to be logical, I selected something for the sport with low volume shoe with some technical materials inside. I have low volume shoe, so I will use slim top cover, 125 1.5 millimeter. Of course, every time I try to save as much as possible materials, and I just cut always 1 millimeter one more time. This is an important information always. That's why we start with the base. And that's it. My insole is ready to put inside the heating machine and to take the mold.